Hi, my name is Jade Zachary, and my business is called the Legacy Atelier. So my business is a service where I restore, repair, and maintain luxury items, heirlooms, and antiques. So my target market are people who have family heirlooms. They want to preserve antiques they want to keep, and items that other repair shops are too expensive to get them done very often. So this is the increasing demand for this kind of service. From 2024 to 2026, there's a 20.3 million increase in restoration and a 5.11 billion increase in heirloom sales. And then there is a expected increase from 2026 to 2028 of 20.2 million for restoration and 10.62 billion for heirloom sales market. So my pricing strategy is that my business will work over a membership tier and this is very important because with membership tiers, they show that the items or the service that I'm providing is luxury. It's kind of, if you don't have it, then you won't get it kind of thing. For first-time customers, they will pay a cheaper price. They get a 25% off on a quote, and they get a free consultation. So this is how my membership is laid out. We have 3 tiers, and we have the regular clients. We have a founding membership, and their perks are listed. So the founding membership is based off of how I'm going to start up my business. As the founding member, so as I start up my business, when I do it compared to the regular prices for regular clients, I lowered the price for about 20 to 25% in order to draw in clients. I will hopefully be able to gain about 15 clients in order to start with the profit. So in order to start my business, I will be doing a EFA, which is a equipment financing agreement. This would be appropriate for my business because the supplies that I require for my business, like benches for certain types of repairs, those are expensive. And so whenever I do the EFA, use the EFA, it allows me to already own the bench immediately, but be able to pay it off over time. And obviously, if I don't pay it on time, the company will take back the bench. But it won't touch my personal assets or my business assets. And this is an example of what the EFA looks like. And so my customer service plan is that we'll review all customer complaints and feedback. The complaints will be thoroughly dealt with based off of the evidence provided and the investigation that was taking place. For the feedback, I will try my best to apply their feedback to my business with the benefit of my business in mind. So if they give me something that doesn't work with my business as is, I will find ways to alter it in order to make it fit. And so the growth potential, due to it being a increasingly growing demand, an increasingly growing market, I plan to grow by at least 20% per month within like clients. And in that way, by the end of the year, I would have, if I start with 15, by the end of the year, I would have ended up with 135 clients. And then this is the increase over a 5-year period. Thank you.